Hello guys! Welcome back to your English online class. I am so happy that I have you here with me today. Let's start this day by saying what day is today. Help me out. Today is Wednesday, September 9, 2020. Perfect! And today in our Benny Bieber book, we are going to review the number 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Let's say all the numbers together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good! You all know all the numbers. Now it's time to see if you know how to count. How many ice cream cones I have over here? 3. How many? 3. Very good. Now, let's see how many ice cream cones I have in this hand. 5. Very good. How many? 5. And the last one. This is going to be a difficult one. How many ice cream cones I have over here? 6? No, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 ice cream cones over here. Very good. Now it's time to open our Benny Bieber book on the red pages. The red pages is going to be number 4, and the page is going to look something like this. Here says numbers 0 to 5, but the next one it says numbers 6 to 10. Okay, we're going to work on both pages, and it says numbers 0 to 5. As you see, we start from the number 0. 0 means I have nothing. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's count the objects that we have. On the column that says 0, do we have an object? No, we don't, because it's number 0. Then on the column of number 1, how many objects we have? 1 laptop, correct. Let's trace number 1. Let's trace number 1. I am going to use the color red for this activity. First number 0 and then number 1. On the column number 2, I have 2 pencils. 2 pencils. Let's trace number 2. Great. And then I have 3 desks. 3 desks. Let's trace number 3. And then I have 4 boards. Count 1, 2, 3, 4 boards. And I trace number 4. And last, I have some lunchbox. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to trace number 5. I know you're going to do it better than I do. Now let's continue on the other page. Number 6 to 10. In here, for the eye, it's very difficult to count quicker. For example, when we have the number 1, 2, or 3, it's easier for us to recognize those numbers because there are small numbers. But when we start from 6 to 10, there's a lot of things, so we have to slow down and count in order to not make a mistake. For example, here on the desk, it says number here. We're just making sure we have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. And trace number 6. Then on happy faces, just make sure, as you see, it looks kind of same because of the size of the desk and the happy faces. Let's count just to make sure we have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, we have 7 happy faces. So let's do the trace of number 7. Below the happy faces, we have some books in color green. Let's count one by one by pointing with your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8. Correct. It's time to trace number 8. Then we have bells. Bells. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct. Let's trace number 9. Number 9. And then for the books, we have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great! We have 10 notebooks or books. Let's trace the number 10. The number 10 is a compound number, you see. We have 2 numbers that makes 1. Number 1 and number 0 makes number 10. Perfect! Good tracing the numbers. Remember, we have to practice tracing the numbers in a notebook in order to continue tracing it good. Now it's time to go to the purple pages, and it's going to be the number 5. This activity, I will explain it, but you are going to do it in your house with the help of mom and dad. Not with me, because we need to use some scissors and we may take some time that we cannot have on video. But the title says, what does it look like? We have this signal over here with the shape of a triangle. And then we have this kite over here with the shape of a diamond. A pizza with the shape of a circle. And this mirror with the shape of an oval. Very good. And as you see here, we have some shapes. We have circle, diamond, oval, and triangle. Well, what we have to do is to color these shapes over here. Over here, the circle in color red, the diamond in color purple, the oval in color orange, and the triangle in color blue. When you finish color them, you are going to use some scissors with the help of mom and dad, and you are going to cut the circle. When you have all the shapes cut, you are going to place it and paste it on the shape that belongs. For example, this signal over here has the shape of a triangle. So when I have my triangle ready, I am going to paste it here. Okay? One more time. This activity, you will do it by yourself, but do not forget to take some pictures. After you finish with this activity, you are going to close your book and we are going to go to the Benny Beaver with Friends book on the page number 10. In here also we have the shapes, the circle, the square, the triangle, and the rectangle, and we must do the lines. That activity, I am going to do it here with you. So, grabbing a color, if you want to use different ones, it's up to you. And let's start with the circle. From the green circle, the small green circle, to the red one. And let's follow the line like this. Great! Now it's time for the square. Following the lines like this. The next one is a triangle. Let's follow the lines like this. And the last one is the rectangle. Like this. Great! We finished with this book. It's time to close it and have some time for you to relax because we finished with the activities of today. Thank you guys for being here one more day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.